as Pfizer and Moderna prepare to ship first doses to Florida this month.
I'm not the vaccine type of person. I've never taken a flu shot, and I'm perfectly fine.
It isn't hard to find those leery of taking them,
I just want to see really what is going on with the first rounds before I make an executive decision.
especially in the Black community, despite drug makers reporting 95% efficacy for both products.
My colleagues and friends up here, they're more or less worried if they're going to get the virus from the vaccine.
New Pew Research data shows just how deep trust issues run among Black Americans alone. Fewer than half surveyed planning to get inoculated.
We really have an uphill battle to make sure that these vaccines are well received by the communities that we serve.
University of Florida's Dr. Forthcoming has been studying minority vaccine concerns with a coalition of schools across the state. The Community Engagement Alliance, or SEAL team, listening to focus groups who say on top of decades of oppression,
They don't trust the fact that the whole issue of COVID-19 has been politicized. And so that increases the mistrust.
reaching those populations, she says, is vital. Vaccinations will better shield them as COVID disproportionately affects minorities. It'll also ensure Florida reaches herd immunity, eventually ending virus protection measures. But how do you do that? Florida officials say they're working on a plan for next year when mass vaccinations are possible. The SEAL team is planning a statewide effort in coming months to not only inform minority populations, but enlist local leaders and well-known people from their communities to advocate its safety.
We want to make sure that the people who are talking to us about this look like us.
Florida's Emergency Management Director, Jared Moskowitz, told us recently Florida Health will likely spearhead the state's vaccine communications effort. Details as to what it would look like are few, though he, too, wants local representation.
We're not just barking stuff up from here from Tallahassee. They got to get it from people that they trust. I think that's important.
Important, say medical experts, not just for minorities, but everyone wanting to move past COVID-19.